That's better, but it's still leaking. Specifically, it's leaking from around one bolt. So I have a small leak coming from literally this bolt right here, which is annoying. So yeah, looking at it carefully, the weeping is coming from around the bolt head, the base of it, and really not from anywhere else. So I think I might be okay if I put some sealant up into the threads, I think. Alright, I've gooped up a shiz load of RTV into the threads for that bolt. Torqued it down, hopefully it'll cure and not leak. Threw down some fresh paper towels, so we'll be able to see if it drips here or over by the oil filter housing over the next few hours while I work. I'll check it after work and see if I'm leaking. When I'm done with work, I'll come out and check. If I'm leaking, bummer. If I'm not leaking, yay. I don't want to rip the pan off just for that one little bolt though, so I'm hoping that that nasty hack will work.